What is up,
Crockett family?
We are back with another video, and today we are doing another cooking video for you guys.
Cooking soul.
Who will you love? Who will you fight for? Who will you fall for? Who will you give all your love to?
Alrighty, so before the video gets started, make sure you guys leave a like, leave a comment, make sure you guys turn on the notifications so you know when we post our videos so you can keep up to date with us, because why not? Also, if you're new, what's up? Now back to the video.
Okay, today we're going to be making fresas con crema.
Okay, in English.
Basically, strawberries and cream.
So, these are ingredients you're gonna need. First, you're gonna need some sugar,
Vanilla.
extract. You're gonna need some strawberries, because strawberry and cream, you can't have the cream without the strawberries.
You're gonna need sweetened condensed milk
Gonna need some sour cream
and evaporated milk.
You said it right. That's all the stuff you're gonna need. So let's get to making it.
So what you want to do first is cut up the strawberries.
Also forgot to mention, guys, but gonna need some measuring cups. But if you guys can measure by look at it, then you're a great cook. But yeah, strawberries cutting up first. How many strawberries or?
Use as many as you want.
Alrighty. Alright, so we cut up the strawberries, and also I forgot to mention, if you guys wanna add bananas, you can. I'm not a big fan of bananas, so I didn't want the bananas, so we just didn't add the bananas.
Did it?
Okay, so what's the next step? Since
Okay.
she the one that know this, I don't know it.
So let's fill it up with 1 cup.
1 cup of sour cream.
Yeah, 1 cup of sour cream.
We saw this on TikTok, you guys. On the one. Get the one that was already open.
Just use that one.
I can't get the one that was already open. Hold on, y'all. Hold on 1 sec, because we're going to use the one that we already have open, because we ain't trying to waste nothing.
He ain't trying to waste nothing.
Alrighty. Alright. Got the one that we had already open. Trying to save y'all. Here we go. Set a cup. I love sour cream. Y'all got it in there?
Eventually.
Alright, we got the 1 cup of sour cream, and we're just gonna add it to the bowl. Yeah.
Yeah, add it to the bowl.
Like so. Alright, sour cream is added. Mel, what is in it?
Add the sweetened condensed milk.
How much you added that?
The whole can.
The whole thing. I got you. Don't use that knife. I got this. I got this, y'all.
Excuse me.
Add the whole can of condensed milk, guys. You just gonna pour it on in there. Like so. Boom.
Okay.
What's next?
The evaporated milk.
The evaporated milk. Evaporated.
12 seconds later.
This one a little bit hard. Ooh. Okay. I did not expect that. Okay, we're gonna add the middle. I'm lactose intolerant, so
Oh well.
okay.
Okay. Add 2 tablespoons of vanilla
Abstract.
extract.
Alright. Oh no. Just playing.
Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of vanilla, pure vanilla.
Abstract. 2. Ooh, that's a lot.
Alrighty, and we need 1 tablespoon of sugar. Do the honors.
What was it? What was it? To what? How much sugar?
1 tablespoon.
Just one?
Yeah.
You got that. Boom.
Okay, now we whisk it together.
Now you whisk it. Whisking away. Ooh. It's a little chunky. Okay. Okay, now I see. This should be good. It look and sound like it's gonna be good. I think it's gonna be good. Kind of smell like pancakes. It smells like the pancake mix before you cook it. And after.
I think that should be good.
Yeah, that looks good.
Okay.
And you stir it like so.
Okay. Now we're gonna add the strawberries. You ready?
All you have to do is just move these out the way.
Hopefully that's enough strawberries.
We're gonna have the strawberries, guys. We cut a lot. So you can cut a lot because it's mix it, right?
You want to add more strawberries?
Should be fine.
You sure?
Yeah. Like that?
I think we should add more strawberries.
I think you put too much.
No, you're supposed to add more strawberries.
I think it's fine. That's a lot. In there.
You sure?
Okay, we're gonna cup a few more Okay. So we added more strawberries, you guys, and now is it done? Okay, now we're gonna pour it into these cups. And we need a bigger spoon.
Yeah.
Okay, go get one.
You gotta taste it first, see if you like it.
You're right. Oh, my house is gonna take so much.
I'll give you this one. Are you ready?
Alrighty, guys, the moment of truth. We're gonna taste it. You ready? You go first.
You go first.
Same time. It's actually good, y'all. That TikTok is on something.
Maybe it might taste better if we have let it cool.
Yes. So, y'all, please try this. It's really, really good. Make sure you put it in the refrigerator, let it cool. It will definitely taste a whole lot better, and it won't be as runny because it will have time to sit and cool down. That's the best way to try it, y'all. All right, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you guys leave a comment, leave a like, share it to your mama, your daddy, your grandmama, your sister, your brother, whoever. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys, so you can keep chilling with the Crockett's. Peace out, y'all.